Hello, everybody. Today we're going to work on how to create an email signature inside of Designs in Command. So when we get logged in, we're going to go over to Designs. And then we are going to go to the little plus sign to get started. And we're going to choose Social. And when we go to Social, we hit Next. And it's going to bring us into the Creative Lab where we can start building some stuff out here. So when that opens up, we're going to go to Business Basics and then Email Signatures. And we can select either of the ones that we like here as a template. Select the little pencil, and then it will open up and allow us to actually edit and create our own email signature that you can use in any kind of email that you use, whether it's Gmail or Outlook or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to customize all these different things. Some things are here and have to stay, and some things we can create and customize and add on our own. So the first thing we're going to do is we see that that's not me. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to swap to someone that clearly is me, throw them in there. Next is that logo is not me. So I am going to go to the logos that I have saved in here. I'm going to swap that one in, delete out the old one, size it how I want, and then drop it in. Adjust it again a little bit more. And then I'm going to start working here. So I am going to do my name first. If you want to add in your license number, you can do that. I'm just going to take that part out. Then we can start changing our phone numbers, our office numbers, anything that we want to edit in here. So mine is 561 531 3382. Spell out our office number here. 561-735-3000. And you want to make sure you have your office address. So 8188 Jog Road, number 101, Beach, Florida, 33472. And then you can put in your email, your website, your app, anything that you have, you have the ability to add in here. So I'm going to do and just keep in mind that some of these things, the sizing is not going to be perfect. So you're going to have to adjust it a little bit. We can change our website. So mine is ryanmchugh.kw.com. And then we want to edit this office part just to make sure that that's correct. And then we are done. So if we like the way that that looks, we're going to name this Ryan email signature. And then we have the ability to be done and we can save it. So if we download this, it's going to ask us how we want to download it. For email signature, you're going to need to do it as a JPEG or a PNG so that you can put it in the body of your email. I'm going to save that. And then I can throw that right into my email to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something today. If so, make sure you subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you get the notifications whenever I create a new video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.